There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that, where that's tacked in. It's pretty straight for me, would you say? wear here, a chain which we need to address that. I'm going to get this smooth. I do not want any of these dents and scratches and chips in this. I want this swing arm to look brand new. That is the aim, good as new. We've got damage here, look, to repair that. We're going to try and sand this down as much as possible, but there is some gaps to fill in. See, that's worn around there. So yeah, there's quite a little bit of welding to do on that. Where do we need to be? So I've got some dents there, so I'm going to fill up this side here. The next job. It seems to really want to melt its way through here, but it's okay, we've filled it in, we'll grind that down like I said and should be good to go. So that'll do for now. It's not very neat work, but the objective is to apply aluminium so we can grind it down. So I'll start with this bit here, this bit here, this bit here, and then we'll see how we fare up there. I've done the cap here, whatever you call it. The other side, look, we filled all those grooves in where the chain had damaged it. Can't tell. And here, we've ground down our first weld around where the bearings go. And look at this. Yeah. That. If I can get it all on properly. One-handed again. Fit that on tight there. Look, all the way around. It's a little sticky into where all the sanding grooves are, but it goes. And we have 52. Bang on 52. That's right on the line. It's same all the way around it, look. Ow. Hot. Alright people, the frame is back from the powder coaters. Check it out. KTS Refinishing. They do all my powder coating for me. Everything's turned out okay. So the welds have come up nice. You can't see that damage anymore. There's still a lot of work to go yet. Got wheels to do, suspension to sort out. There's no horrible dents in it now. So that's it. Let's look at the swing arm. Almost completed. We just got a nice finish to put on this. I'm going to aim for a brushed aluminium finish. I don't particularly want to polish it up because it wouldn't have been like that at the factory. But yesterday was an incredibly long day for me. I spent many hours welding, sanding, filing, getting this up to standard, but it looks fantastic. It really does. I've done a really good job there. A few more little things, a bit of clean up to do on it. I've got some pieces down here. I want to neaten up all these welds on it. Hopefully I can move on to something else today. Right,